Okay, see this equation. See this equation. Suppose y equals to f of small f of x minus at plus f of x plus at. Here, see that here f, small f and capital F are different function. Okay, so this is look like as this one. By first you have to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, first you have to differentiate y. Actually partially differentiate, you have to partially differentiate y with respect to x. Then if we, I have already told you that if we differentiate with respect to x, then the other function, here other function is what? Here see that here f is a function of what? Small f and capital F are, hello, hello,
Ma'am, x
see the
Function
function
of
of
x.
f. Okay, f is a function of what?
x minus 80.
X minus 80. That means f is a function of x and t.
T.
Yes, ma'am.
And capital X, f is also function of x and t. Okay, here x
T.
and t are two variable. Okay, where here a is also constant. Okay, so
Okay.
uh, if we differentiate, remember this one, if we differentiate if we partially differentiate with respect to x, then you have to differentiate only x, not in t. Okay, in that time you have to consider t as a what, t as a constant. Okay, in if we differentiate with respect to x, then t can be treated as constant. And again if we differentiate with respect to t, then x is considered as a constant. Okay, remember this one. Okay, here because these are function of x and t, so you have to differentiate f with respect to x and t. Okay, so here we differentiate, first you have to differentiate with respect to x. So this one is what? F dash x minus 8. Okay, and see here, see that this one is capital F dash x minus x plus 18, because if we differentiate x, then value will be what? 1. Okay,
1.
if we differentiate x with respect to x, okay, then value will be what? Value will be definitely
1.
1. So it comes as f dash x minus 80 plus f dash x plus 8. Okay, again you again we differentiate this one with respect to x. Okay, again that means you have next, in the next step we have to find the second derivative. Okay, second partial derivative. Okay, second order partial derivative. So you have to again differentiate dy dx with respect to x. Then what we get? This one, del 2x del x square. This one is what? The differentiation of del y del x with respect to x. Okay, then this case also how we you find f double dash x minus 80 plus f capital F double dash x plus 80, because here x is what? X, the differentiation of x is again 1. Okay, so this one are, these are good. And next other function is what? Other function is t. So we have to differentiate del y del t. Okay, other function are, because other function are t, so we have to differentiate with respect to t. And see this one, if we differentiate this one with respect to t, okay, x minus 80. So if we differentiate with respect to t, then what you get? Here suppose this one, this will become f dash x minus 80. Because next step, see that this one, this is not only t, these are what? Minus 80. Okay, see the function, this is what? X minus 80. So it will be differentiation of minus 80. 80 will be what? See this one. Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
See this one. If we differentiate this one f of x minus at, that with respect to t, then what we get?
Expected
I
means
say that you when we differentiate with respect to t, okay, then we have to consider x as what? X as a constant.
constant.
Okay, so see that this one is there. If we differentiate del y del t is first one is what? F dash x minus at. Okay, x minus at and differentiation of minus at. This will be what? Differentiation of minus 80 will be what?
A, ma'am. A.
A. This not only A, this is a minus A. So here minus A is come. But here see that here x is this one is only x. So if we differentiate x with respect to x, the value will be what? Value will be 1.
Minus 8. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, understand? In the
Okay.
partial differential equation, always remember that if we differentiate, suppose one variable, if we differentiate x, suppose, then in that situation, other variable is treated as constant. Okay? And suppose if we differentiate y, then what? You have to consider the other variable like as constant. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Understand? So in the
Yes, ma'am.
next part, see that this one is capital F of x plus at. Okay, capital F of x plus at. So it will be what? F dash x plus at. Okay, it is what? F dash x plus at and value of at. Value of at will be what? This is plus
A.
a. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now because in that here in this problem these are sum of two functions. Here f is an under function and capital F is also an another function. To get the partial differential equation in this situation you have to eliminate this function. Okay, but in the other problem which has already discussed, in that suppose we have to eliminate some constant, okay, a and b, but here in that problem you have to eliminate the function to get the required partial differential equation. Okay, so next we have again differentiation this one, del y del t with respect to what? Del y del t with respect to t.
B.
Okay, that means we have to differentiate again this one. Okay, so value will be what? Value will be look like as this. The process is same because here see that a minus a square is the minus a whole square, that means this one is a square. A square is constant, so it is a square into this one. A square will be common and this one. And here see that del 2y del t square equals to a square del 2y del x square. So this is the required partial differential equation. Okay, here we have to where we here suppose you have suppose if we subtract this one, we subtract this one, this one is actually what? Sorry, not subtract, the
Sorry.
subtraction is not here. This one is f dash x minus 80 into minus a square plus f double dash x plus 80 into a square, and this one is what? These are both are same. Okay, both are same, but here this term is product of a square, so it will be look like as this one. Here we have you have eliminate f and capital F and small f. Okay, here see that these are some exercise, then you can do this one also. Here you have to by eliminating the function f, here also you have to eliminate. Here only one function is given, this is small f, and by eliminating f you can obtain the partial differential. Okay, first you have to differentiate del z, because z is what? Z is the Dependent variable, which are dependent variable what? X and Y. So you have to first differentiate equation del Z by del X. Okay, then after that you have to differentiate del Z by del Y. Okay, suppose if we differentiate this one with respect to X, then Y is treated as constant. Okay, these are your homework. Write this one. Form a partial differential equation by eliminating the function. Try to solve this one. Have you done the previous homework? Are you done the previous homework? Hello? I have already given you some homework. Have you done that? Hello? Are you hearing me? Hello?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, ma'am.
I have already given you some homeworks. Have you done that?
One I completed, ma'am.
One complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Then show the homework in the group. You can take a photo and give in WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So see and write this one, these two problems. These are your today's homework. Okay, by eliminating the function f, find the partial differential equation. By eliminating the function f. Okay, here see that z are function of y and x, so you have to find del z del x. Okay, and after that del z, first you have to find del z by del x, and after that find del z by del y. Okay, try to solve these two problems. Write this one. Next, see this problem. Form a partial differential equation by eliminating function phi. By eliminating the function phi, find a partial differential equation. Okay. And see this problem also. Eliminate arbitrary function f from z. Z is this one. F of x square minus y square. Okay. First, these are same. First, find. First, you have to see this one. Okay. Here also in this problem, first you have to find del z del x, del phi, sorry, del phi del x. Again you have to find del phi del y. After that you have to find del z del phi by del z, because these are the function of x, y and z. Okay, phi is a function of what? X, y and z. So in this problem, to obtain the partial differential equation, you have to first find del phi del x, and after that del phi del y, and del phi del z. Okay, after that by eliminating phi, you will get the required percentage. But here see that in this problem, these are function of x and y. Okay, f is what? X square minus y square. So you have to find del z del x. Okay, and after that you have to find del z by del y.
Y.
Can you guess the difference? Hello? Can you guess the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Here see that z is function of y, f of x square minus y square. So you have to find del z, del x and
Minus Y.
del z, del y. Okay? Here
ma'am.
also f is what? F is the function of y and z, y and x. So you have to find del z, del x and del z, del y. But here see that in this problem, here this is what here y equals to f of x minus 80. Okay, f is a function of what? X and t. So in this problem we find del y del x and del y del t. Okay, can you guess the difference? Here see that we get this equation. So in the left hand side these are same. So by comparing we can write this one, half of 1 by twice x del z by del x equals to. So this is the required partial differential.
Ma'am, second line del y del y.
This one is del z by del y.
Ma'am, ऊपर ma'am.
A2
Del z.
del z by del x.
Ma'am नीचे ma'am नीचे.
This
Del
one.
not.
This one.
Del not or del z.
Which one? Del
Ma'am,
z by del x. Is
He's
it?
telling del Y del Y.
And the next line.
yes
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This one is del z. Z is not visible here. This is actually del z. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
This is here z is not visible properly because the z is missing. So this one is z because see the original problem. Here see that this one is z. Okay, left hand side is z and right hand side are function of what? X and y. See this one. These are what? Function of x and y. Okay, so you have to differentiate del z by del x, del z by del y. Okay, here's
Ma'am,
see that in the first the differentiation, you see that left hand sides are equal. So we have to write this one. If suppose now we
ma'am,
do not get
minus
such as left hand sides are equal, uh, unequal. So these are some other function in this because suppose the in this problem in the first differentiation these are del y del x and del y del t. These are not same. Okay, these are different. So in this case we have to differentiate again. We have to differentiate twice. Okay, but here that in the first step we get this one. Left hand sides are equal. So we can stop here. We can stop here by comparing these two equations. What we get? This one equals to. Okay, this is the required partial differential. Okay. Here also some problems. Here see that del. Here see that. Write this problem also. Here see that here first and third one is the problem. Here you have to find the partial differential equation by eliminating the constant a and b. But in the second case, see that second and fourth. See the second and fourth problem. Here you have to find the uh, partial differential equation by eliminating the function f and c. Okay, see the difference. In the first and third problem, these are write as z equals to x plus a into y plus b. So to obtain the partial differential equation, you have to eliminate a and b from first and in the first and third problem. And in second and fourth problem, to get the required partial differential equation, you have to eliminate f and z, the function f and z. Okay, write also this one. This is also your homework. Okay, try to solve it, because if you come across any problem, then ask me. But at first, you have to try to solve. Okay, various type of problems are discussed here. In the previous class, we have to discuss how can we obtain the partial differential equation by eliminating the constant. Okay, today we will discuss some problem which are related to with the elimination of function. Okay, by eliminating the function, how can we get the partial differential equation? Okay, process is same.
मैम बीतपन का एडमिट करने बोल रहा था
What?
बीतपन को एडमिट करने से पूछ रहा था
एडमिट किया तो पहले
शायद मैम डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया
Okay, there are so many problems in the online class. Network problems is also. So try to solve your homework and see the notes. Okay, see the notes after seeing this one, then try to solve some problems. Okay, then if we try to solve some problems, then your doubts will be clear. Okay, when we try to solve, then your doubts will be clear. And in that situation, suppose you have any problem, suppose you have find any problem, then ask me. Okay, and write these write this fourth problem also. In the first one, first and third, you have to eliminate a and b, the constant a and b. In the second and fourth, you have to eliminate the function f and c. Okay, then let's try to solve this one. Okay, after that I will go to the next part. Okay, here we'll discuss about first order partial differential. Okay, Lagrange differential is also discussed. Lagrange differential equation is used to solve what for first order linear differential equation. Okay, there is another method here also. We have give the definition about quasi-linear problem, and in the quasi-linear partial differential equation another method is used. Okay, this is called Sharpit's method. The next class we have discussed that type of problem. Okay, so you have to first I have already again tell you, try to solve your homework first. Okay, and today I'll stop.